Can you 3D print medication? No, you can't, but pharmacists are trying to. Why? So they can take adult tablets and turn them into kid-sized tablets. Why? Because some medications aren't made for kids. They're too strong and hard to swallow, so they'll need to be broken down before kids can take them. In order to do this, they'd need to break, crush, or dissolve the tablets. Unfortunately, that's easier said than done. It's very difficult to do any of that without compromising the accuracy of the dose. In this paper, the authors introduce us to a better way, a process that takes adult-sized tablets, breaks them down, and uses the ingredients to 3D print new, kid-sized tablets. On today's episode of Journal Club, we're going to see how it all works. We'll take you through the process and see how it compares to existing methods. If you're already subscribed to our email newsletter, you'll be getting this episode in text and audio form delivered to your inbox in the next few hours. Journal Club, the latest academic research explained in plain English.